shit! Yo!
I had the last laugh because I'm bound to the new school you're about to see.
She's almost done.
Yep. Oh. One of you guys do something.
Oh. She knows she's got the power. What's this guy doing to the Silverado?
I don't
trying
know.
To fucking... He's gonna back into you?
Hey.
Fucking idiot.
What are
dude.
you fucking doing?
Totally not fucking looking at all. Is he gonna take the spot too? Damn, bro.
Oh my god.
Fucking Christ. Who's in that fucking car? Dude, this place sucks. That guy's fucking... Yeah,
I don't
fuck you,
care.
motherfucker. I'm from Texas, bitch. I'll kill you, bitch.
When we were having the conversation about the heating element, they're like, we really feel like you ought to charge us for the thermistor.
Good job.
And my response to them was, we'll talk when I bring the heating element over.
Yeah.
They're like, we
water and started shoving them in their mouths. And then when he noticed that they had the waters, guys, we're not getting those. Those aren't yours.
This guy is really bad at this.
And he put them back.
Hold on. I don't want to get fucking hit.
I'm gonna.
What are you doing? Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh,
buddy.
Jesus.
My ears suddenly seemed to have become sensitive to every tiny noise in the flat.
Oh my
The
god.
drip of the tap in the kitchen,
Jesus.
the creak of the pipes behind the walls, the faint...
The fuck?
Then grab the mouse and set the monitor to display camera 13 on full screen to replay the moment when Nick barged into the storage room and confronted the Halloween mask. As he played the clip again, his face grew visibly pale. The other three looked more...
You're a dick. Bro. Dude. Fucking look.
Like, it just needs to get there. It hasn't reached it. It says in April, Talmadge got a liter of his blood removed, separated the plasma and whatnot before the plasma was reinfused in response. It was just the plasma. So it was like a fifth of his...
Different car, or is this just the... No, it is a different... It's not just the pickup with a... You did the thing!
You did the thing.
You did the thing!
I love that.
That's fucking great. legitimately a week old.
Oh well.
And people don't really know how to
Gotta
use it
get
yet.
used
Yeah,
to
see,
it.
like, okay. Skirt, what? Where are you going now? What are you doing? What is this?
What is going on? What the fuck are they doing?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's just back into the middle of the intersection while it's green for the others. No, there's no cars. Oh. Dude, it's just a free for all, isn't it?
Dude, drive forward.
No, he's taking his sunglasses out.
I know. Go!
Bro!
Do it later! Holy fucking shit, man.
Why are you having so much trouble with
I don't
it?
know, but like fucking drive and do the sunglasses later. Oh, good lord.
People dressing up their penises. It's like cosplaying dicks. It's really funny.
Oh, man. They said I cosplay as cockplay. No, that sounds different.
That's a little different.
Yeah.
But anyway, tattoos. Maybe I'll get a...
Believe me, try to get the answers you want.
Holy shit. Dude.
Nuts. Was crazy. All right, let's move on now to other celebrity dirt this morning. And there's been lots of speculation about this. Johnny Depp fans who are clamoring for him to once again step into Captain Jack Sparrow's tattered boots.
Hey guys, hey, whether it's 103.7 or 94.3, thank you for listening to Dutcher and Rich each weekday morning on Maine's alternative rock station, WCYY.
You gotta drive on the right though. Okay. Okay.
What a war zone we are in. Humanity's fighting for its life. I want to see Elon fight Jeff Bezos in the ring.
Oh, dude. CEO boxing?
They would never.
Yeah.
They would never.
Throw Brett Lilly in the ring.
Oh, what if they...
God, dude. Come on.